during the COVID-19 conference, with his seat remaining conspicuously empty throughout the event, where he was included in the program to make remarks and, according to state protocol, then invite the president to address the conference. For such travesty, the only thing we have received from the DP's camp are tweets from his allies rubbing more salt into the injury. In many days, weeks, and months, we have seen the deputy president run around the country in the so-called hustler political rallies in churches, markets, and roadsides. Up to now, the vast majority of those who serve this party and this president have heeded the call by the president that we should not put the country in a campaign mode so early, so that the country may concentrate in the very important human development agenda of this administration.